3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Baguhan pala kayo sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan. Click yung notification bell para titin ka sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more coming this video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget comment, like the description box below. For today's my vlog, BMW 450 GS. Engine displacement and engine type water cooled, 2-cylinder, 4-stroke inline.
2 hours later.
Line 2 300 at 135 crank offset. Engine displacement 420 cubic centimeter. Maximum of power 35 kilowatt at 8,750 RPM. Maximum of torque 43 Newton meter torque at 6,750 RPM. Fuel consumption 26 kilometers per liter or 61.9 gallon liters. Fuel tank capacity 14 liters or 3.6 gallon. Front suspension frame steel tubular space frame. Front suspension 43 mm KYB USD fork 7.1 inch 180 mm travel adjustable on sporty o trophy. Rear suspension aluminum swing arm KYB central spring strut 7.1 inch or 180 mm travel wheel travel tires front tire 110 100 by 90 by 19. Rear brake 130 by 80 by 17 rear. Cross spoke wheels available as option. Curb weight is 178 kilos or 393 kilo. Ready to ride. Clutch multi-disc with clutch with available easy ride clutch or ERC centrifugal system standard trophy. Transmission 6-speed optional shift assistant pro. Electronics ABS Pro, riding aids, ABS Pro, dynamic traction control, dynamic brake control or DBC, and 3 ride modes: rain, road, enduro. Standard dashboard, TFT display, 6.5 inch TFT display with connectivity. Seat height 845 mm standard with lower 830 mm higher to 865 mm. Wheelbase 57.7 inch or 1,465 mm. Itong adventure touring, itong motor na to isang adventure touring na may paghahawig sa 8,900. At ang displacement niya ay 420 cubic centimeter na inline 2 cylinder. Naka-crank 135 degree crankcase. Ang fuel consumption ay 26 km per liter. Ang tangke naman niya, 14 liters or 3.6 gallon. Tapos ang naka-TFT display na siya ay TFT display, may traction control, may riding aids na road, enduro. At yung TFT display niya 6.5 inch TFT display. Tapos may nakabang na siya na top box, side pannier, at meron siyang gear indicator, temperature, fuel indicator, at riding aids, traction control, auto blip, quick shifter. Ang timbang niya ay 178 kg. Kung lagi ka nang gagawin sa akin channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates and for more upload these my videos. Don't forget to don't forget the bell button, and for more new upload these my videos. Ano siya, medyo adventure siya. Ito yung bunso ni GS 1250 na adventure. Ang suspension niya naman, front suspension ay naka 43 mm KYB fork na sukat niya ay 7.1 inch. Ang wheel travel naman niya 180 mm wheel travel, adjustable, sport or trophy. Ang race suspension niya naman niya naka-alloy swing arm, KYB, central spring start, 7.1 inch or travel 180 mm travel. Ang sukat naman niya ng front tire size ay 190 by 19. Ang rear naman niya ay 130/80 by 17. Tubeless. Naka-spoke rim na siya, spoke rims. Kung hindi kang transmission speed niya naman niya ay naka 6 speed with optional shift assist pro. May connectivity rin siya, pwede mo siya i-connect sa phone mo, pwede Android or iOS, pwede may connect. Ano siya, F450GS na 2026 model. Ngayong nilabas ni BMW. Ang price naman niya ay price niya ay price niya ay 4,050,000 pesos. Ang statement niya ay statement price is 500,000 pesos ang minimum down payment. At ngayong 2026, ngayong nilabas ni YouTube ni BMW, either kahit anong branch, anong pwede nyong kunin, cash or financing, statement na down payment niya ay 500,000 or 550,000. Ngayon ay kung hindi ka pa nagagawin sa aking channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click notification bell for more updates and for more upload this may videos. Sana may natutunan kayo sa pag-vlog ko sa video na to, at wag kayong hayang mag-subscribe at pinutin yung bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa bago ko susunod na upload na videos. Don't forget to follow my social media account like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Sana tapusin itong vlog na to, at sana may natutunan ka sa vlog ko. Dito ko na tapusin ang aking vlog. Thank you for watching this my vlog. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe and click na bell button for more updates and for more upload this my videos. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next vlog. Babush.